Hi, this is Jim Robinson, ProfitTrading.com. We're going to take a look at December cocoa daily chart at September 26, 2009. And basically, I've been bullish cocoa, and right now it looks like gold is going to break lower. Possibility. And so basically, that will probably drag cocoa and coffee and sugar and markets like that, cotton, lower with it. It depends. It just right now it just looks like cocoa or gold maybe putting in a sell signal. So it's too early to tell if that's just a minor correction in the uptrend or if it might be a bigger correction. But basically, cocoa has not made a lot of upside progress here, and it's kind of putting in a bearish divergence. It's not a real big bearish divergence here with the 14-day stochastics, but the 14-day stochastics has made a bearish crossover here. And cocoa is still, as far as the 10-10 bands go, cocoa is still in an uptrend, but I think this is just kind of an early warning that cocoa may have put in a top and may be going to correct. Now again, the correction might just be a shallow bull market correction, or it could be a bigger correction, but if we get down in this area, we may get sell signals in cocoa. So I just want to say that things are changing here a little bit. And that's one thing in commodities, you got to be able to shift your position with market action. And basically I've been bullish cocoa and bullish gold, but right now it looks like they may be heading lower, and that just again might be just a small swing lower, or it could be a bigger correction. You never know until you look back at it in hindsight. But basically we're going to take our sell signals if we get them, and gold is close to a sell signal. I have a sell signal in sugar, coffee. Again, I've been bullish coffee, but it's broke down here into this area, and that's not necessarily a sell signal yet in coffee, but it's warning that a top may be in. So the 14-day stochastics has crossed over, which means that right now the short-term momentum is down. So when I say that we may be going like short coffee, that just means like for this swing down here, the larger trend may be up in coffee. Again, it's too early to tell, but right now this is a possible top in coffee, and we may be getting sell signals over in this area. So we just want to be on guard for these markets turning lower here. Sugar we looked at. Cotton's another one I've been bullish on, but we'll take a quick look at cotton. Cotton has run into resistance, and it basically could be getting ready to correct lower here. And again, if I get a sell signal in cotton, we'll be taking it. You got to take all your signals when you get them, because you never know which ones are going to work and which ones aren't. And if you try to pick and choose, you'll goof up is what you'll do. But basically this has been a strong resistance area in cotton here, and we closed below the 10-10 bands, and the stochastics has crossed over, and again you can see there's a little bearish divergence here. Cotton came up and made just a slight new closing high here, and stochastics made a lower momentum, and that's a signal that a top may be coming in. And so right now, again, this isn't a sell signal in cotton in my work, but if cotton were to trade down in here somewhere, eventually I would get a sell trigger, and we'd be looking to go short cotton. So right now, basically, I'm just kind of looking to sell sugar, and gold may be close to a sell signal, and these other markets may be getting close to a sell signal. So thanks for listening to my video. I greatly appreciate it. Jim Robinson, ProfitTrading.com.